This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Raft split-screen PC. Open Steam, launch Raft, and choose New Game or continue to the save you want to use. From the main menu, select Local Coupe, then press Join on the second controller or keyboard. Adjust display to split horizontally or vertically in settings. Test movement and crafting together so both players are synced before sailing. In this video, I will show how to play Raft split-screen PC. Pair both controllers in Windows or connect USB devices, then confirm in Steam's controller settings that each device is active. In Raft, assign actions for Player 2 if needed and choose comfortable sensitivity levels. Keep a backup keyboard ready for troubleshooting and close background apps that might steal input. Test crafting menus to ensure the second player can open inventory without interrupting the host. In this video, I will show how to play Raft split-screen PC. Quick recommendation: if you read guides between sessions, the new Kindle Paperwhite fits in a pack and reads in bright sun or low light, perfect for strategy notes and recipe lists. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play Raft split-screen PC. Choose lower graphics presets or reduce resolution to maintain steady FPS when two viewpoints render simultaneously. Consider splitting the screen horizontally on wide monitors to preserve vertical visibility. Close unnecessary apps and set Raft to run with high priority in Task Manager when needed. Keep autosaves spaced to avoid brief stutters during intense sailing or combat moments in Coupe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.